Mr. Ramirez and Sebastian Garces, and today we're gonna speak to you about slope intercept forms from graphs. Okay, so here we have a graph and an equation. So to replace the graph, we have to always remember the formula y equals mx plus b. So, x. What does this represent? B is the y-intercept. M is the rate of change, and x is the number you're gonna input from the graph. So let's begin. What is our b in this graph? The y-intercept. So if I go down, it's here. So in this equation, we start plugging it in. So -5. Okay, and the slope, always gotta remember the slope is rise over 1. So I go to one point and I rise 1 and 1 to the right. So it gives us 1 over rise and 1 over run, which equals 1. So our slope in this graph will be 1. So this is the first equation. As we can see, these equations match perfectly the graph. Okay, let's move on to the next. Here we have a bit, it's the same concept, y equals mx plus b. So uh, we have to plug in every value. So let's remind ourselves that b is the y-intercept. So let's go to the y-intercept. -3 here. So we plug it in here. -3. Then we have to remember our slope. So we go to one point here, we rise 1, and we move 2 to the right. So it'll be 1 rise over 2 run. So this is our slope. So we plug it in the equation, which 1 over 2. And this is how easy we can match our our graphs. They match perfectly, and sometimes it might seem complicated, but you just gotta remember the basic formula of y equals mx plus b in order to complete every graph really easy. It's only replacing the values and knowing which each value represents. So let's go over. B equals y-intercept, y in, and m equals slope. Okay, and x will always equals the number equals the number you plug in order to find the equation. As long as you know this concept, you'll succeed on identifying equations when there is given a graphs. Thank you. I hope you found this video helpful, and we are Sebastian Garces and Mr. Ramirez.